I'm going to show you how to use iMovie's titles and backgrounds to add extra effects when you combine the two together. So let's just have a look at the concept of what I'm going to create. So what we've done here is we have a background as our first start, and this is the pinstripe. And then we move into an opaque section, which has got some water effect, and then it's blurred, and then gradually it comes out to a full resolution of the clip. So how are we going to produce this? Well, let's look at this portion here, and we don't have the background here yet. So we'll go to our backgrounds and we'll select the pinstripes and we'll drag that in as the first part of the clip. So that plays through and just jumps straight to the clip. Now we're going to add the underwater. We'll just drag a little bit of that over the pinstripe. But the underwater now is obviously too bright and too obvious. So what we need to do with that is to move here to the cutaway, and we'll reduce the opacity a little. And so what we have now is the pinstripe moving to the water and then moving through and becoming clearer. And now we'll come to the titles. So we're going to use a title called Pull Focus, and we don't need the text in that, so we'll delete the text, and now we just have the blurred background in that effect.
One of the favourite sons of the Sydney Flying Squadron.
It jumps there. We can there fade that a little. So as we move over here now, we're coming in the pinstripe. It's fading into the pull focus. We can use a number of these little titles in the same way. We could use the Boogie Nights and take the text out and then just play that through. Or you could use the Pixie Dust. And there are others here that you could try out for yourselves. And also, when you're using the backgrounds, you don't have to stay with the colour range that the background has. So currently this one is quite blue. If we pop up here and come to our colour correction, we can change that so that we've got more yellow in it or more blue. And we can change those temperature ranges with these controls here. So that's a nice golden effect that you see there. And one of the other things I'd like to talk to you about in titles is the ability to use emoji. So if we come to our centered title here and we select on that and delete the title, then you can come to your emojis, and let's say we want to put this emoji in. So it's in there, but it's set in the center. Well, you're not restricted to that because you can use the right-hand align or the left-hand align. So if you wanted it in the right-hand bottom corner here, you could simply press return several times and then right-hand align that. And there's our emoji sitting here as at a lower third. Please like and subscribe, pressing the bell so you'll be notified of further videos.